Hello guys, yeah, we're in Sibu now and we just reached in our apartment, but we spent 2 nights in near the bus station. I showed you in the last video. After that pretty long trip, but hey, so how do you like your new apartment? Awesome. It's awesome, eh? Alright, so let's make a little tour. I don't want to bore you. Please guys, let me know if you find this interesting. I mean, people used to find it interesting, but you know. Anyway, so this is where the key was in there. This is it. So we still have all our stuff. So I'll close. You want to say hi?
Hi.
So I'll close the door because we put the AC on, of course. So yeah, well, this is all our luggage. Okay, very good. All right, I'll make a little tour. So you'll come in here. Basically, you'll come in here.
That means it's for dinner.
That's true. For him, it's huge, right? So. There is the room. There is a bunch of sofas. Hey guys, I'm trying to make a video here. Okay. Oh, now you fell down. There's no TV here, but I knew that, which is but let me explain further. Anyway, so this is the AC. This is the fan that is on. This is a lamp of some sort. Yeah, well, I don't know. Well, I can turn it on if you guys want. I'm not sure if it works, you know. It does, eh? What a great light. What a great light. And here's, I think it's a balcony. There's some mosquito nettings. Oh, hey guys, come on, I still try. All right, so this is the balcony. Well, there's actually 2. And, yeah.
Hey, is that?
So this is like 3 kilometers from the center or something. And it's quite nice. I like it. There's a Folly supermarket thingy right next door, which is a good thing. Yeah, the sofas are good. I like it. Actually, I already like it here. I mean, it's not going to be like in Kuching, you know, that was super. But yeah, this is like about it before I not say it. It's about $25 a night. So that's fair enough for if you think about. Of course, there's a high-speed internet. There's AC, there's including everything. But anyway, so the small room that my daughter's mentioned, yeah, it's a bedroom for 1 person, I suppose. Yeah, there's nothing to say about it. Well, of course, we have curtains and we have mosquito nettings. Nice bed, right? So there's a table here, which is a massive table. I like it. It's got 4 chairs, but we'll have to manage. This is oil. There's a kettle. There's some plates and stuff, and then there's there's the cooking area, the kitchen. Let me show you. Well, there's a pot. There is a rice cooker, which is important. And I don't know. There's 2 glasses. Only 2 glasses. I've seen more, but yeah, I'll be okay. It's not like super spanking clean, I must say. And this is for the will suck up. We had the same thing in Kuching, but it wouldn't actually. It was not even working properly. But anyway, so let's. And then there's some. I don't know if these. Hope these are bird droppings or rat droppings. There's a washing machine, which is also a good thing. Hello, Mr. Farley. Hey, boy, come on, let me. Well, you can go outside. Now, come on, I'll go out. Let's go to the other balcony. I'm showing around the house real quick. Anyway, so yeah, fridge. Of course, empty, but it's big. It will not be empty for very long. After a visit to Mr. Farley, then it will not be full. Not be empty. A toilet, a shower, hot shower, of course, and yeah, wet bathroom. It's great. And there's another bedroom here, also with a single bed. So we'll probably put 2 of them beds together, and then there's like, you know, for a part of us. There's no balcony here, but we can still see Mr. Farley. And there's a cupboard here. Everything okay? There's a mirror. You know, I'm sweating. Yeah, and I'm wearing yesterday's T-shirt. I was not thinking about I'll be making a a video, but I am making one. Anyway, so there's a master bedroom. Yep, this is empty.
Our own bathroom.
There's a bathroom, yeah, which seems to be a nicer one than the other one. Maybe I'll need that, use that. I'm not sure. Yeah, let's see it. Yeah, and this is the master bedroom. which is not a double bed. So you have basically one double bed, two single beds, which is equals one double bed, so two double beds, which is fair enough for us. There's a TV in here. I've not figured this one out yet, but yeah, we're not going to be using that too much anyway. Yeah, and that is it, right? There's the cupboard. There's some extra blankets, some extra
stuff in here.
and there's some extra stuff for that's thoughtful. I like that. And yeah, that's it. That's the new apartment, the Sibu apartment. Do I not have I shown everything? Yeah, you say you figured that we not that be easily shown, but it is easily shown, and you'll be right if you think that. But anyway, yeah. You wanna say goodbye? Hey guys. Alright, see you in the next video. This is a short one now. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Ah, he speaks now. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay guys, cheers. Bye bye. By the way, I did not even show properly. There's some water bottles. Probably tenants before. Yeah, I mean, just, you know, I don't want to miss the things, right? So that's, for example, there's a nice mirror. You know, you have to know there's a nice mirror, right? And am I forgetting something? You know, maybe people would like to know. I showed this actually. And there's two cups here. Two coffee mugs. Yeah, no, I'm just
These are just
thinking. Yeah, there's some plates, and there's some tea boiler, and then it's a nice wall. You know, I want to show. And see, there's like these little details that I keep forgetting. Like the wall and the lamps here is very nice. Check out the up there. See, this is nice. You know, let's not forget anything. You know. Also, this one is a good lamp. You know, you don't know this until you realize it. Told that I forget details to show details, you know, but I can't think of any. See, like this detail, there's a cross. So which tells me that the owner here is probably a Christian. It's a Chinese guy, but there's lots of Chinese that are Christians here. You know, I'm just thinking about, you know, maybe he's not seen these curtains. I don't know, you want to see these things. And check it out. There's a plant friend over there. But anyway, so I think I'm gonna let it go now. Don't have to make a long video all the time, right, guys? Well, yeah, we'll be going out a little bit. Sibu, I'll make a couple of videos, I suppose, or maybe. Yeah, I don't want to overflow you with videos, you know. Then people will stop watching, and you know, and then you have a tragedy on your hands. So we don't want that. But I'll show a little bit of Sibu, like the famous market, like the famous night market as well. I think it's right next door to each other. And then yeah, maybe eat some food and whatever. And then we'll stay here for 1 week. And then we're not sure what we'll do, but we will eventually. We'll go up to Bintulu and then go to Miri and then go to Brunei. For those who ask, lots of people actually keep asking if we're going to Brunei. Yes, we're planning to go to Brunei. There's no bus. I know that already. Since the COVID-19 MCO they had, so that's a bit of a bummer that they did not reinstate it. Also, there's lots of the boats, you know, the transport boats that they're gone. They never reinstated them for some reason because they're waiting for another pandemic, maybe. Well, I hope not. Okay, guys, let there not be another pandemic. But yeah, then from Brunei we'll towards Kota Kinabalu, right? Sabah, I don't know. But yeah, not sure. We don't plan ahead. We'll just kind of like take it, you know. We got a 3 months visa in Sarawak, which we got 1 month left. We spent two months actually in Kuching, you know, like doing what you're doing, right? So we have 1 month left, which is not so much, but we go to Brunei, then we'll get a new 3 months. Anyway, guys, take good care. So I'm saying for the second time, bye-bye. Do you say bye-bye for the second time?
For the second time, bye-bye.
Take care.